Hey everyone, we're in a large 6-berth motorhome today, and I just thought I'd show you this. When we turn the water pump on here, the pump keeps running even though the taps are closed. If you hear this scenario in any of your motorhomes, whether it be a European motorhome or a New Zealand built or an Australian built, you have to immediately evacuate the air from all the water systems. So you open up this tap over here, which is in your kitchen, and you want to simultaneously open up your bathroom tap. If the water pump keeps running and none of the taps are open, that usually indicates that there's a air block or air in the system. If you let that water pump run for too long, it'll eventually basically burn itself out. So I'll show you now. We'll turn it on. See how it's running? Turn that on. See now how it's a constant flow of water? Constant flow of water, both hot and cold. And that's the water pump just switched off. So if you ever do encounter the scenario where the water pump keeps cycling and keeps running even though the taps are closed, make sure you evacuate the air from the water system just by opening the taps. This will prevent any future problems, and this will save your pump from basically burning out. So I hope this quick little tip was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. And as I've said in my other videos, there's more motorhome content and car content that's coming, and a couple more motorhome reviews. Thanks for watching, everyone. See ya. Sometimes you might find that the water pump doesn't stop even though you've tried to open both taps. You try to open your kitchen tap and your bathroom tap, and you find that the water pump just will not shut off. In that sort of a scenario, I would immediately turn off both the water pump and all the taps and start inspecting for any leaks. So these are the John Guest type fittings that are used on all modern campers and motorhomes and caravans. So what happens is sometimes the O-rings here tend to actually get brittle and get old, and as a result you can develop leaks. So if you keep hearing the pump running and air is not bleeding through the system, water might be actually coming out from here, it might be leaking from here, and that's why the system's trying to pressurize all the pipes, but it can't because of the obvious leak. So that's something to keep in mind when you open the taps, and if the air doesn't stop or if the air does come out. So if the air does come out and the pump shuts off, you're fine. That indicates that the system's not leaking or the pressure side of the pump is fine. But if the pump still runs even after you shut off the tap, that's when you have to be a little concerned. These T-junctions normally play up as well due to vibrations and constant driving. As you would imagine, there's a lot of stress on these pipes with motorhomes and caravans being driven on the roads, especially in New Zealand. So just something to keep in mind. Just thought I would mention. So I hope this video was of some help to you. If it was, please like and subscribe, and there's more videos like this to come in the near future. So stay tuned. So we're in another 4-berth camper. I'll have a short review of this one coming up soon.